Deformed lunchbox. I'm gonna already tell you, I did not like the thumbnail for this. Let's dive in. What? I like your earrings. I want them. Just smell some pepper. Damn. Bro, stop. You're actually making me want to sneeze. Like. Oh no. Lady, what the f. I hate this. I hate this so much. I hate this so much. I hate this. No. No. No, 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 no. You know what you did. You know what you did. You know exactly what you did, damn it. Well, I mean, I guess that's a. I don't. I don't. Stop! Stop! Damn. Don't. Don't. Why are you zooming in? I want y'all to have a good night. I want y'all to have a good night. I have nothing to say. 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 Never sneeze again.